Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Missybee and I am doing a budgeting video. I'm so excited. I've been wanting to do this for forever. I have my money in these envelopes. I have my little tracker as you guys can see. And I have my two budgeting folders. Hopefully in the future I can expand them and get more folders, but for now I have two. And I'm just excited for the month of August. Happy birthday to any of my August, subscribers. And yeah, let's just get on the video. Okay, first I'm gonna open up this envelope right here. This is my rollover money from July. And the reason why I have so much is because I'm trying to save up for my phone. So that's why I have so much. Let's just count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31. That's $431. So I will put this aside for the end, but I'm most likely going to put all the hundreds towards my phone and probably put the rest somewhere else. So we'll see what I can do with this later. So I just put this aside and fold this up. So this is from my paycheck, and this is going to be probably the most I'm going to put in because I worked a full 40 hours, and since school is starting this month I won't make as much as I have right now. This just should be $1,350. So I'm just going to separate it and then I'll get back to you. So I'm just going to count this right now to make sure that it is the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2, 3, 4, 5, 13, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 25, 50. Yes, that is the right amount. So I have all my money here. Let me just move it on the side so you guys can see it. So when I went to the bank, they didn't have my exact amount, so I kind of had to improvise, had to go to different stores, and this is what I got. So hopefully I can make this work. So we're just gonna start off with the cash envelopes, which is going to be in this folder here. Please do not mind the dog in the background. So obviously open that. We're going to start off with food, and this is for the whole month of August, so that's why I'm doing so much. So for the whole month of August I'm going to put 300. So I'm just going to put 200 and 2 50s to get 1, 2, 250, 300. Okay, so I'm gonna write down that I put 300 in the amount. $300. Okay, next I'm gonna do phone. Like I said, I will come back to that with the rollover money, but for now I'm going to be putting $100 in my phone for now. These are like my first time opening these, so they are super sticky right now. Hopefully in the future it won't be as sticky. So I'm just gonna write $100. Okay, next I am going to be doing Hygiene. So Hygiene, I'm gonna be putting $50 in Hygiene. Oh, and yes, you guys are wondering why my money is so colorful. I live in the Bahamas, so yeah, this is Bahamian money, but it equals to the same amount as the US dollar, so it'll be the same amount. So I'm gonna be putting 50 in Hygiene. Right, next is gonna be, we're gonna do Fun, and Fun will get also 50 buckaroons. Okay, let's write 50. Next will be Eating Out, and Eating Out will be $75. The reason why it's so much is because I usually treat myself on Fridays, and if I go out to eat with like friends, I want to be able to, you know, cover my bill and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna do a 50, a 20, and a 5, $75. Hopefully opening up these will be easier in the future. So that is my cash envelopes. I'm gonna put that on the side where you guys can't see it. It's out of frame right now. But next we're gonna do my sinking funds, and to my knowledge, sinking funds means like stuff I want to save up for, more so that I'm going to be trying to save up in advance for stuff. While the cash envelopes are just what I'm going to use on day-to-day basis. I really don't have to save these, but I'm sure you can if you want. So I got this pretty one, and I have quite a few in here. So we're going to start off with my favorite one, Amazon. I love Amazon so much, I had to put it in. So I'm going to be ordering a desk this month, so I'm going to need $250, which is $250. 1, 2, 50. So we're gonna put that in my little envelope. I actually had it open. Wow. Okay. Embarrassing. Okay, I switched sides because it was getting too. I had to reach over for stuff, so I just decided to switch the sides. So like I said, that's gonna be $250 in my Amazon account. I have balance here for future reference, so when I add it, I'll know that I'm either saving or spending. So I'm just gonna write $250 here. Kind of evens out. So the next category is my car. I'm trying to save up for a car, but I'm not gonna add anything to that one, so I'm just gonna skip that. The next is university, because like I said, school is starting soon, so I'm gonna be putting $50 in my university fund. Okay, next is my vacation fund. I'm going to be putting $100 in vacation. Hopefully in the future I can go on vacation, guys. So let's put that in there. Okay, next is apartment. I'm currently trying to fix up my apartment. So I'm going to be putting $50 in. Look how I'm completely forgetting to put my amount. University is 50, vacation is 50. I made a mistake. My vacation is 100 and my apartment is the one with 50. Okay. Next, we're going to be doing birthdays. My favorite also is going to be $50. That down. 50. Okay, next is Christmas. I'm gonna be putting 50. This is my last 50, so I'm gonna have to resort to my 20s and my 5s and anything out of the ordinary. So Christmas. Next is Christmas is $50. Okay, savings is the next one. I don't have anything down for savings at the moment, but I could always put my rollover one in my savings, so we'll come back to that. All right, family time is $25. Next is my emergency fund. This is one that I really do want to start saving up for because you never know what's going to happen. So I'm going to be putting $50 in my emergency fund. So I'm going to be doing 2 20s and 2 5s. So 20, 30, 45, 50. Okay. Emergency funds, 50, 50. All right, next is SATs. I'm also planning on taking my SATs this year, so I'm going to be needing to save up for that. And also I'm going to be ordering some books on Amazon, so I'm going to put 100 in my SAT folder. Okay, last but not least, my accounts folder, and that's for stuff like Amazon, like subscriptions, or if I have Amazon account, Amazon subscriptions. So I'm gonna be putting, like I said, $50. So it's gonna be 20, 40, 45, 50. So right, okay, let's put that down. 50, 50. Okay, like I said, once we finish with our folders, we're going to put any of our rollover money where we desire. So let me just get that real quick. So here's well, actually my rollover money. I put that on the side, and it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, so that's $431. Hopefully in the future I can also get better at counting. So I'm just gonna put that in here. Okay, I'm gonna be putting my 400 in, I fixed the queen herself. I'm going to be putting the queen herself in my phone cash envelope. So we just grab that. So this is my phone envelope. So all together I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in my phone envelope. Okay. So I'm just going to add 400 to equal 500 in total, and then I'm going to be putting the remainder, $31. Let me just get it straight. I'm going to be putting the remainder of my $31 in savings, since I didn't save any savings for this month. I just thought it would be better if I just gave myself that. So there it is, savings, and I'm just going to be putting my $31 in it. Let me just write that down. Savings, $31, $31. So we have everything we need. And so guys, that was my first official envelope stuffing video. I hope you guys enjoy it and want more from this channel. I'm really looking forward to investing into this because I'm always a saver. I love organizing, so hopefully this is something I can keep up every month. And if you are also doing something like this, leave it down below. And have a wonderful day wherever you are in the world. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.